Namaste, I am Dr. Roshita. Today I am here to explain why we should not self-medicate during fever. Even though medical practitioners advise not to self-medicate, people tend to medicate themselves without knowing the dose, use or when to stop those medications, which will either lead to complications or will not give you any results. Actually, these herbs and the medications have potential to treat the fever. Let's see today what is fever, what is the mechanism behind fever, and why we should not self-medicate. So, fever is a physiological process of our body. Our body's immune response towards any pathogens, any microorganism, harmful microorganism that enters our body. So, body tends to raise the temperature by creating what is called pyrexia or fever, to clear this microorganism out of our body. Actually, this temperature, increase in temperature, will clear the microorganism or kill the microorganisms. Now let's see the mechanism of fever. Whenever microorganism, pathogen enters our body, our immune system responds by stimulating the pyrogenic cytokines. These are the chemicals secreted by our body during fever. They are called interleukins. There are many types of interleukin. Here one example I have given is interleukin 6. This stimulates the area in the brain called hypothalamus, and this hypothalamus releases prostaglandin E2 to increase the temperature. So our body temperature increases. To compensate that increase in the temperature, body tends to our blood vessels go for vasoconstrictions to reduce the temperature. So this is the physiological process that happens in our body during fever. And our medications, the medications what we take for decreasing the fever, actually blocks this prostaglandin E2, or some of the corticosteroid medications inhibit the interleukin 6. But what happens is there is only decrease of body temperature in our body by these medications. But actual microorganisms or pathogens are inside our body itself. That's why we should not go for self-medications. Doctor, a medical practitioner, diagnoses what is the reason behind the fever. So they give you not only to reduce the temperature but other medications to clear these microorganisms. Research says that we have to allow the fever to run its course to ward off the microorganisms. Sometimes it's not even necessary to take these medications like your tulsi and dry ginger. All these medications are not at all necessary to treat the fever. Commonly used natural solutions are tulsi, dry ginger, tender coconut water, but there are ways how much to take, what time to take, when is the exact time you have to take tender coconut water or tulsi or dry ginger. Again, in tender coconut water, in some kind of fever you are supposed to take mature tender coconut water, and in some certain kinds of fever you have to take tender coconut water. So take an advice from the naturopathy physician about all this. Past 30 years I have been not taking any medications and following the same procedure, and last year I have been suffered from chickenpox, where I have treated through naturopathy completely. So if you are looking for any natural solutions for treating your fever, contact a qualified naturopathy physician and under his guidance treat your fever. For more tips on fever mechanisms or any natural solutions, follow me on Instagram Dr_Roshi_Woman Health, or follow me on my YouTube channel Dr. Roshita's Yoga and Naturopathic Medicine. Have a blessed day. Thank you.